The holistic education system map represents a groundbreaking approach to education, designed to address the complexities of our interconnected world. It provides a comprehensive, holistic framework that goes beyond traditional learning by integrating science, industry, and society into the educational experience, creating an ecosystem where education becomes a pathway for individual growth and global impact. Let's take a journey through each part of this map to understand how HES transforms learning.
Learning environment, a lifelong, multidimensional ecosystem. The foundation of the holistic education system is its lifelong, multidimensional learning environment, which nurtures individuals from the very start of life, beginning with the prenatal stage and extending through every life phase. HES is not confined to traditional schooling. Instead, it is a dynamic and inclusive ecosystem that integrates education into all aspects of life. It is based on the values and approaches of HES, encompassing compassion, sustainability, collaboration, and innovation. In this unique ecosystem, science, industry, and society all gain an educational function as they actively participate in the learning process, providing real-world applications and context for students. HES dismantles the concept of delayed life syndrome by empowering students of all ages to make valuable contributions here and now, allowing them to impact their local communities or even global issues through active learning. Each sphere benefits from this synergy. Science gains fresh insights and perspectives through student-led exploration and connecting with industries and societies while collaborating with students through various scientific initiatives. Industries, in turn, benefit from fresh scientific support and innovative ideas through student participation, driving forward sustainable and socially responsible practices. Society becomes more cohesive and resilient as education bridges generational and social gaps, with all spheres actively participating in transformative social initiatives. This collaborative ecosystem fosters a dynamic, value-based, interdisciplinary approach that unites science, industry, and society, directing them toward a sustainable and interconnected future. Starting as locally based ecosystems, HES's influence is designed to expand gradually through global scaling and networking, creating a connected world of lifelong learners.
Teachers and educators, extended roles as connectors and facilitators. In the HES framework, teachers and educators take on an expanded role. They are not only instructors but also managers of educational components within science, industry, and society. Teachers act as the bridge linking these spheres, facilitating real-world applications and ensuring that students see the connections between their studies and the broader world. Educators in HES receive specialized training that equips them to foster critical thinking, creativity, and interdisciplinary learning. Their role is to manage collaborative projects that bring students into direct contact with scientists, industry professionals, and community leaders, ensuring that the educational experience is rich, relevant, and impactful. By linking learning to the real world, teachers help students understand the value of their education and empower them to make meaningful contributions.
Stakeholder involvement, engaging the entire community. Stakeholder involvement is central to HES, encompassing educators, scientists, industry leaders, community members, and parents. Parents play a key role, as institutions can connect with the organizations where they work or the businesses they manage to build a holistic environment. Through global scaling and networking initiatives on offline and digital platforms, HES enables diverse collaborations and projects that allow stakeholders to engage at multiple levels, from local to global. This network enriches the learning experience, embedding education into every aspect of life. Together, stakeholders bring valuable resources and perspectives, creating a cohesive learning environment that mirrors real-world complexity and connection.
Philosophy and approaches, core values and guiding principles. The philosophy of HES is grounded in values of inclusivity, sustainability, interconnectedness, creativity, and ethical responsibility that inform every aspect of learning. HES emphasizes experiential and collaborative learning, where students learn by doing and working together to solve real-world challenges. Through team-oriented and future-focused approaches, students cultivate a transformative mindset, preparing them to be proactive and resilient. Well-being and mindfulness practices are integrated to promote balance, self-awareness, and a positive learning environment. HES also uses interdisciplinary, topic-based learning to explore the connections across subjects, reflecting the complexity of the world around us. Value-based learning and a strong emphasis on community and service help students build an ethical framework and sense of social responsibility. Together, these approaches ensure that students develop not only academically but also as compassionate, socially conscious individuals equipped to make meaningful contributions to their communities and the world.
Curriculum and content. Dynamic, process-oriented learning. The HES curriculum is dynamic, process-oriented, and focused on coexistence, encouraging students to explore interconnected topics like water, air, light, living organisms, earth, space, humans, nations and cultures, and the future. At each stage, students revisit these topics, uncovering how they coexist and interrelate within complex ecosystems. This approach emphasizes processes and connections, guiding students to understand natural patterns and systems, which fosters critical thinking and adaptability. Core subjects, including sustainability, creativity, social responsibility, health and well-being, technology, global citizenship, and cultural awareness, are taught through a flexible, modular framework that adapts to each institution's cultural, economic, and environmental context. By focusing on open-ended questions and encouraging multiple perspectives, HES nurtures flexible, adaptive thinkers who are prepared to address real-world challenges and contribute meaningfully to a connected, sustainable world where coexistence is fundamental.
Teaching strategies, diverse methods for a holistic approach. HES employs a wide range of unique teaching strategies that make learning a collaborative, interactive process. The map highlights several key strategies, including collaborative learning, encouraging teamwork, communication, and shared responsibility among students. Experiential learning, allowing students to engage in real-life exploration to deepen understanding. Project-based learning, facilitating hands-on, multidisciplinary projects that connect to real-world challenges. Constructivist learning, promoting inquiry and discussion-based learning to develop critical thinking skills. Learning equals teaching equals creativity equals dialogue model. In HES, students engage in a model where learning is equal to teaching, creativity, and dialogue. Students not only learn but also teach each other, fostering a deeper understanding through creative exploration and open dialogue, empowering them as active contributors and creators in the learning process. Additionally, HES incorporates the Student Self-Management System, SS, the Supporting Scheme System, station-based learning with flexible spaces, and diverse formats like individual, pair, dynamic pairs, and team learning. These strategies give students autonomy over their learning, allowing them to develop self-management skills, adapt to various collaborative settings, and take ownership of their educational journey.
Assessment and evaluation. A reflective, holistic process. HES redefines assessment as a holistic, multidimensional process that moves beyond grades, focusing on the growth of hands, heart, and head, practical skills, emotional development, and intellectual growth. Through self-assessment, peer evaluation, and teacher feedback, students reflect on their progress, with evaluation based on their growth dynamic and ability to seek needed support. This approach fosters personal reflection, social interaction, and self-awareness, guiding students to understand their strengths and areas for growth. By emphasizing a growth-oriented mindset, HES turns assessment into an ongoing journey, promoting a meaningful connection to their learning and development. Together, these elements illustrate how HES creates a holistic, interconnected educational model that equips students to become resilient, innovative, and socially conscious individuals. By bridging learning with real-world applications in science, industry, and society, HES transforms education into a powerful engine for personal growth and global impact. This system not only prepares students for their careers, but also cultivates lifelong learners and active contributors who are ready to address the challenges of today and tomorrow.